We're gonna basically assign people their body count. So you're gonna call them up, and then you just assign them a number
based on what they look like.
Right. Or you could ask them a few questions.
Okay.
You know what I'm saying? So interrogation.
Wait. So how am I gonna like sift through while I have the phone in my hand? Oh. Excuse me. All right.
Alright, so let's go.
Number one,
step up to that.
see, we got 2 hands.
Big facts. You're gonna have to help me with this one. You wanna help out?
Hold the phone.
Yeah, sure.
Okay. Just sift through that for me. Hold on, let me look at the number. Oh, okay. Let me grab that back.
Give him the phone to take.
Yeah, let him hold the phone.
Mix sense, you know. Take it. Thank you. No, okay, all right. Okay. All right. Why these numbers? Can I like combine them and just add numbers together and be like, yo, this is it right here?
Please, no! No! No!
Alright, cool. Respectfully. Am I supposed to show him?
Yeah, you're supposed to give it.
Here you go.
Alright, take better.
Was I correct?
No, you're not gonna take it.
Oh, damn. Thought I was gonna know today. Alright. Step up number 2. Turn around. Okay. What's this? A 9? An 8? Oh. I'm gonna give you an 8. Take that. We're gonna confirm later. 3. You know, spin around for me. Damn. So you just left with either or type that? Okay. Let me give you 10. No, actually, let me give you 10. Take that. Let's see if I'm correct. And then I'm sorry, you get left 1. But that's not a bad thing. That's pretty good, you know? Not out here slinging shit everywhere. So, what now? Turn this way? Oh.
Alright, so how many do you think you got right? Everybody?
I gave you 5. Fuck. 5, 10, 8, 1. Okay. I feel like I got it wrong with him, but there was no other number to give him.
So, if she got you right, raise your hand, don't look.
Okay. I don't look?
Yeah, don't.
Damn. I'm gonna say I got like
Alright.
2 right.
So y'all boys go ahead and switch to your right numbers.
Oh, these are based off of real facts. Oh, somebody's a hoe out here. Okay. Whew. The person that got 1, wow.
Alright.
I was joking.
Number 1, step up.
Hey. Oh. Oh, what's up? How you doing? Number 1? Okay, that's good.
Honestly,
She got you right, so.
yeah, she got me right, but honestly, I think I 4 or whatever. But, you know, not even.
So why do you think
It's not horrible. I don't know. I really don't. It's like he's skinny, right? A lot of girls like skinny guys because, you know, I'm not going to say too much.
She want me. She want me. She want me.
Yeah. So that's just that. He's skinny. You know what the rest is.
Alright, now my few.
Was I correct?
No, you got him wrong. You gave him what number she gave you? She gave you 8.
Respect. There's ain't nothing wrong with that. Also, a lot of girls like cuddly niggas. You could cuddle with this one, you know? It's fun.
Alright, so explain your 1.
This is I'm not gonna lie.
Bro, what the hell? So what are you? I mean, how much do you have?
That's classified information. Government standard issue.
That's crazy. It's wild.
What do you think you got?
Ooh, he said it's classified, like it's a big top secret. You know what? I'm gonna say like 15. What? He said classified, so I'm thinking, yo, it gotta be more than 10. But nah, do your business. Do your business. I got you right? Oh, I'm lit. Okay? I know my numbers. Okay? That's I don't know. Like I said, a lot of girls like cuddly niggas, you know? And he's tall. So that, yeah. And he did 360, so I know. You good. You valid. Pull up.
Pull up, you.
What he said.
Yeah, they gave me one. But unfortunately,
You're 8.
female is on the porch of like young.
Alright, so I understand the number 1 was the last one. So how do you feel about the
8.
8? Deserve 8.
I knew it wasn't 1. I knew it wasn't 1.
She knew it was one.
No, I said I knew it wasn't 1. I knew he didn't have just 1. Like, you just look like you ain't, like... Yeah, he's tall too. He is. And you're skinny as well. So you got, like, 2 things going on for you. So I already knew that it was more than 1. It was more than 1, but that's what I was left with, you know? That's what I was left with. I was like, I know
So
this is cap. Like 7. Yeah. I was close. I was thinking 7, but, you know, you're 8. So I'm like 1 off. My math is still accurate.
Out of all these 4 gentlemen, which one would you go on a date with? Body count.
I mean, honestly, it's not crazy. Like, it's not crazy. I know people that have worse numbers. I'm not trying to get the technical shit about it, but I know people with higher numbers, and it really doesn't matter, just as long as you're clean. Yeah, you got to be clean. That's it. You just got to be clean, dude. Who would I go on a date with? I don't know why I got into all that shit. I'm sorry. I'm not gonna lie, I would want to go on a date with him. Right?
Hey, what's that? Forward, they can't. Yo, the man them clarify, boy. Clear. Forward, most step. Come here. Alright. You cannot F that one up.
Better, sorry.
You F up the first one.
Sorry about that.
Yo, if y'all fuck up down here, this is some one month in the
So, why did you pick him?
I don't know, you seem a little interesting, and you're Jamaican. I mean, I think they're all Jamaican, but...
Yeah,
But he seemed interesting.
Yeah.
Like how?
How?
Yeah.
I don't know. Certain people just look interesting. You just want to see what they're about.
So she want to get to know you basically.
Yeah, mysterious.
So where you officer now?
You remind me of someone. He reminds me of my friend Kendrick.
For real?
Yes.
All right, so we gonna go back. Where you gonna take her on a first date?
Oh.
You cannot F up.
Better, man.
It's a
Better, me got this.
You got this.
Listen, we can go to the candy factory in Miami. That
You like
shit
candy?
is-
Like actual candy?
It's like, I mean, they have food there, but it's like, you ever see the drinks? You know, they have the candy.
Sugar Factory?
Yes, same shit. Yeah.
What the fuck is a candy factory?
Yeah, the sugar factory. I messed up the name, but
It's all good.
yeah,
I've
that's
never been there before.
shit is
They got the big ass drinks. I'd be like, how the hell am I about to finish that? Can't do it by myself. I mean, you need one other person.
facts. But yeah, that's definitely that shit is lit though.
I didn't know.
Hold on, wait. You got a car?
Yeah,
What type of car?
Honda
Civic?
Accord.
Close.
Without pushing.
Yeah, year.
2007.
Respect. I got a 2008 Acura. Ain't nothing wrong with it. It
You know what I'm
works.
saying? So
Plain.
after the sugar factory, where we at beat?
Sure, that's a good question.
No, yeah, the good.
Anyway, yeah, let's go for this. Sure,
Yeah, I forgot that one.
that's a good question. You go to the beach, you go for a walk or
Why you
something.
say it like that? The beach like that, you know? The beach.
There's a lot of different options, so you know, I'm just throwing some out there.
I feel you.
Saying, like, I'm a simple person, really, so it really don't even matter to me. I really chill.
All right, so most of, aka Ryan, you got maybe 1.5 date to go on this channel. You know what I'm saying? So I don't know when we gonna do this. We gonna come back to this. We gonna do this on YouTube. You know what I'm saying? We gonna go to the Sugar Factory. We gonna y'all gonna have a fun time.
Yeah, facts.
And yeah, it's your boy Ivory. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. And we out.